Oh, we're just doing a little job here at Justin Bieber's house. That's Justin Bieber. But I forgot you guys at home, so we got cell phone video today. You guys stayed at home today. What's up with that? But look at that. Can't do nothing right. Can't do nothing right. But we're just replacing that little skimpily do friggin' pipe with a more bigger one. More better. And there's like nowhere for the water to go, so it just sits in there. Like, I don't know what's the idea of this? Like, where's the water going? He was just putting a pump in there when it filled up and pumped it out, but his pool liner's floating, eh? It floated. Like, the pool liner floats, so that's no good. So we got to dig down below the level of the pool, put some stone and some fabric and some crap in there, and pump and a different thing. It's gonna be awesome. Check it out. Got different stuff and tractor and check out this trailer too. Buddy let me borrow it. He's trying to sell it, and I'm like thinking that I like it, but man, it's scary big time. I'll put a snippet of loading it from the real link. Put a snippet of loading this friggin' thing. Oh my god, I thought I was gonna die. I thought it was the last days for Pug 1. But anyway, still got a ways to go. I mean, we're probably 4 feet deep, so we're halfway there, but we got to make a way bigger hole. We'll dig this thing out here. Maybe I can prop you up on something. What can I prop you up on where you can sit? Didn't bring tripods, I got a tripod, but nothing to hold fuck all, so that's good. Can you sit? You can't sit.
I thought we were going to be close to the pool, so.
Yeah. This is just dumb. I got a tractor.
Pipe's good.
Is there nothing in the bottom? There's nothing in the bottom? Like no base or anything?
Doesn't look like it. No, it looks like it's just like gravel and dirt.
America! You bessin'? Look at him, creaming.
He's just creaming?
You're fucking right he is. Holy shit, how you making out?
Creaming Abdul the bar?
Yeah. Yeah, talked him into putting his mucklucks on. Now they're full of rocks. So that's good. Well, I know I don't want to get down in the 8-foot deep hole beside the pool. Hey?
Fuck, it smells like water down here.
It smells like water?
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. It's all wet. We cracked into the substructure, and this could have been a lot. I brought a pump and a hose and everything, so I expected to friggin', be pumping this out. So we're not doing too bad, really. We just got to square up that wall, get our guy in there, get some gravels, and yeah, well, it'll be awesome. Dump this. Hey, look at this stuff. Oh my god, big friggin' rocks in it. Like, look at this. That's too big for in the bottom of the hole. I mean, good thing we brought the tooth bucket. Oh, yeah, there's one right there. Unbelievable. Right where we're digging.
Of course.
Like, why did that have to be there? If we were looking for it, that'd be great, but
Yeah.
no thanks. Oh, not too bad, not too bad. Are you caving in?
No, it doesn't do well with kicks.
Oh. Fucking right, boys. That one did good work, terrible. Didn't get any shots of dumping it, but the thing friggin' dumps like almost a 90. It's awesome, but fuck, it's so steep to load the tractor. It's a neat little tractor. That's pretty. So that's the good stuff right there. Well, I can sump Fosnels. Tippy'd be stuffing her pockets. Where him?
Oh no.
I heard it.
You can hear him.
I knew where it was coming from.
Oh, there he is. Oh,
No.
God.
What?
Oh, you just missed it.
Holy shit!
See that?
I did. I caught a glimpse of it. I don't think I got it on a movie though. America! Yeah, but look at this, boys. What in the fuck? Oh man, I'm terrible.
Some of us are. Oh, you think this is tall enough, or are you gonna be cutting that off?
Yeah, we gotta give her a little snippolini.
Okay.
Not too bad, a little bit. 4 or 5 feet, probably. Good amount, but I was gonna trip and fall in the pool on accident. Strictly on accident.
Yeah.
Just go for a fucking backstroke or something.
Crap.
All the debris. Well, we still gotta talk to Buddy about where we're gonna put the gravels. So maybe he's got a garbage can or something.
Okay.
And yeah, there we go, boys. Check this out. Inwood friggin' Customs. I mean, real boys excavating. Eh? That's what I meant. He just chooches out here, cut some gravels in the end, so when guys drive up and down this lane here, they don't just smidge the end of it into smithereens, but yeah, it should work out just friggin' splendid. Got a friggin' 8-foot culvert on its end, 18-inch. Still gotta put the lid on it, of course. It's not gonna be here till Monday. So rather than wait and dick around, I just gotta come back and stab the lid on there, and then we're done. But a little bit of cleanup, load the tractor, very much scary, and there we go. Decent, probably a tractor.
Oh, it's just like really small wheelbase. Looks like ECV.
Maybe they were gunning it. Anybody needs any excavation drainage type work done, we do good work, big time. Look at this. We built that. That's in the ground, 8 feet in the ground. And that's gonna pump water out to the yonder of the downhill factor to Fort Whitted for exhaust. Because whoever built that pool only put the friggin' the drain like 2.5 feet deep, pool 7 feet deep. Well, the water's gotta be getting sucked out below the pool liner if the pool liner's floating. You would think. Anyway, snaps?
Water below.
Can I have a bite? Be okay. You're mucking around there with your shit diggers. I'll see what I got for my own. We gotta wait for Buddy now, but he's you what? It's not.
And you would know.
It's not stink dirt today, anyway. That's all right. But anyways, I got some June bugs to snack on. It's worth it. Oh, wait. Danger. But got the friggin' got the tractor already ready to unload there. I tried to put it down onto the slope here so the back's a little bit higher for the ramps, but it needs longer ramps. There's just no question. That's too steep. Big time. And I don't like how the ramps aren't attached in any way, right? That's just scary, terrible. Not like you just drive it on this trailer like it's nothing other than, you know, you gotta chain the ramps down is what the key is, eh? Like I welded these hooks on there for driving the skid steer up. The excavator's usually not so bad, but sometimes I guess. But just when it's down, hook that guy on there, lock the friggin' ramp into position. There we go. But anyways, I gotta go pick up the felon and then have him babysit me while I unload the trailer there. And then I'm gonna power wash the trailer because it doesn't belong to me. And I'm gonna say the dump trailer, but you know, it's not too dirty, but I want to bring it back in a better condition than I friggin' took it in. But we still got to figure out, you know, any type of the purchase procedure on this here unit because it does tow really nice, but we'd have to extend the Rampolinis too. It's actually unbelievable how good this thing tows with like tons of dirt in it, and it dumps big time too. So but yeah, I'll grease it up and power wash it for him and bring her back, and it'll be awesome. You gonna learn play tractor? I'll just show you what the knobs do. Just drive that up.
You only got like 5 more fucking pops in me, and I won't get scared. I feel a little bit less scared than you are right now.
Sure, boys, didn't friggin' dump the felon off till 8:30, so he's on overtime, big time. It's been a long couple days here. big shindig down the friggin' what's it? Holy. Big baseball tournament and whatnot. Jeez, did I roll my window up for fuck's sakes? Roger. But in other words, yeah, we did it. We're friggin' Excavating Specialists, boys. You best expect it. Okay, go.